Yoga for everybody with Meditation Mutha.
Hi everyone, this is Kim Goyette, your Meditation Mutha, coming to you live from Costa Rica. My husband Scott and I are here all by ourselves, and it is so strange to be traveling without our daughter Kayla. This is the first time in a year that we've had a chance to reconnect. As you can imagine, traveling around the world with 3 people, it's very hard to maintain a close relationship when there's that dynamic of 3. So it's been really nice to reconnect with him. And I thought that this class would be all about reconnecting with that special being that's in your life. Whether it's a pet, whether it's your partner, or someone at work, a friend, a family member, we're going to be focusing our attentions on supporting, loving, and bringing connection between you and that being. So let's bring our hands to heart center. Gently close the eyes. You can bow the mind to the heart a little bit. Lift the heart up into the thumbs press back into your heart. And just take a few breaths here. Relax the shoulders away from the ears. And tuning into the breath, the rise and fall of the chest. And we'll stay here for just a moment. Begin to visualize that special being. Again, it could be a coworker or a pet or any loved one, someone that you want to connect deeply with. And just visualizing them in front of you, your heart open to their being. And gently open the eyes, release the hands. Good. Let's take our left hand and bring it onto our right shoulder, and our right hand and bring it onto our left shoulder. If this is too much for you, you can go wider and bring your hands inner with the elbows wider, whatever feels good for you. Good. Tuck the chin, and we're going to start to round in just a little bit. Tuck the belly into the chest, the elbows come in. Good. Take a deep breath, a nice big hug towards the inner being. And then lift the elbows up, raise your heart up. Good. And just imagine you embracing that person or being in front of you. Take a deep breath in. And exhale out the mouth. One more deep breath in. And exhale. Good. Open up the arms nice and wide. Let's cross the opposite side. So opposite arm on top. Good. Tuck the elbows in, round in just a little bit. Take a deep breath into the back body. Giving yourself some love and energy so that you can give it back to the one that you love. And then raise the elbows. Good. Visualize that big hug going towards the person you love. And release the hands all the way down. Good. Let's sweep the arms up overhead. We're going to grab onto the right elbow. Good. The right elbow points straight up towards the sky. Grab your hand onto there and then just tip on over to the side. Open up the side body. Take a deep breath here. Good, and then shine your heart center up towards the sky, your armpit up just a little bit. Open up the side body. Take a deep breath here. Great, release all the way open. And then we're going to sweep that right hand back behind us with the palm facing out. So the right hand back behind us with the palm facing out. If it feels okay, I'm going to turn around so you can see this. But if it feels okay, you can grab onto your shirt, give a little hug, and then sweep the opposite hand behind. If your hands don't clasp, you can grab your shirt as well and just give a little bit of a paw. Good. Stay there for just a breath or two. Good. Elbow points up on the left side, elbow points down on the right side. And then again, let's go over to the opposite side. So we're going towards the right. Open up the side body. Release and relax. Good. Release the arms all the way down and relax. Good. Let's try the opposite side. So left arm bends up, elbow points up. Let's grab onto that elbow. Good. Push your elbow into your hand. Lift that side body and then take it over. Take a deep breath into the side. Shine your heart center up towards the sky. Inhale from the hip all the way up through the elbow. And release all the way down. Let's sweep that left hand back behind us, palm faces out. You can grab onto your shirt if you'd like, or you can clasp the hands, sweep back behind, grab opposite hand with the shirt, and then give a little tug, open up that side body, and let's take it over to the left this time. Good. Inhale, really ground down with that right hip. Open up. Inhale, expand. Exhale. Good. One more time. Inhale, expand. And exhale, release. Great. Roll the shoulders back a few times. Let's take the left hand. We're going to sweep it all the way back behind us, palm faces out. And then we'll take the right hand and clasp the hands together. Bring the fist out to your side. The right elbow pulls back. Good. So we're opening up that left shoulder. Tilt your head away from the shoulder towards the right. Good. You can close the eyes, soften. Just open up the neck. Good. Relax the shoulder away from the ear. And just take this moment to soften into the space from your heart center, sending any love and energy, white light to your special connection. Good. Relax the jaw and throat. We can do this. We can connect without words. We don't have to be with the person. We can send our love and energy anytime, anywhere, any distance. And bringing the head back to center. Let's release, arms out, and just notice any differences between right and left. Then we'll sweep that right hand behind. The same thing, clasp the hands, relax the shoulders away from ears, draw the elbow back, and then tilt your head over to the left very gently, opening up the side of the neck. Good. Take a deep breath in. And exhale. Good. Really visualizing the person you want to connect with, opening up the front body, the side body to experience. And then bring the head back. Release the hands all the way down. Good. And take a moment to notice any differences between right and left. And then let's roll the shoulders back. Nice. This time we'll bring the arms straight out to the side. Cross that left arm over the right. Connect elbows. And you can either grab opposite shoulders or you can bring your hands back to back or wrap them all the way around. So whatever feels good for you today. Lift the elbows up just a little bit and then elbows press towards each other on an exhale. Feel the separation in between the shoulder blades and the traps. Take a deep inhale, lift the elbows, close the eyes. Exhale, draw the elbows towards each other. Good. One more time. Lift the elbows. Exhale, push the elbows towards each other. Good. So take this moment, notice and visualize your being in front of you. And we're going to take all the energy, any pain or suffering that they're experiencing, and send them lots of white light, love, and peace. And take all that, start to draw the elbows towards the chest, bring it right towards your heart, soften the neck. Good. Stay here for just a moment. Take a deep breath into the back body. Exhale out the mouth. Good. Slowly come up. Release the arms out to the side. And again, just to take a moment, notice any differences between right and left. Let's bring the arms out to the side again. Cross that right arm over the left. You can grab opposite shoulders, arms back to back, or wrap all the way around. Whatever feels comfortable for your shoulders today. Inhale, elbows lift. Exhale, press the elbows towards each other. Good. Inhale, elbows lift. Exhale, press. Good. One more time with the breath. Inhale. Exhale, press. Stay here. Again, visualize your person or pet or loved one in front of you. Good. Send them lots of white light, pure energy. And then as we draw in, taking away any of their pain and suffering, draw the elbows in towards the heart, bowing down towards them, honoring them. Take a deep breath in between the shoulder blades. And exhale, slowly come up, release all the way down. Good. Relax the shoulders, roll them back. And we're going to finish by doing a little bit of a visualization breath work. Let's bring the hands to heart center. And then we will allow a cupping so that pinkies stay together, the palms open up, thumbs out to the side. Bring your hands right towards your heart. Good. Close the eyes for just a moment. Start to invite the breath and awareness in right towards your heart center. Feel that point within the very center of the heart, that white, pure light that shines from you. And visualize the person or being you want to connect with sitting right in front of you, facing you. Palms open in the same form to receive all the beautiful energy we want to give to them. And as we inhale, we begin to take away any of their pain and suffering. And as we exhale pure white light that fills their body with love and hope. Inhale, take away any of their challenges. And exhale, giving them peace, surrender, health. Good. A few more breaths just like that. Inhaling, taking away any of the challenges that they're facing. And exhaling, giving them your love and light. Good. Another breath on your own. Close your hands. Let's bring the thumbs to the heart and just feel that intention deep within you, that connection between you and your loved one. And bowing the mind to the heart. Whether your loved one is near or far, sending them all the goodness within you. Your pure intention to love them and honor them. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me today here in Costa Rica. If you like this video and you want to be the first to receive weekly videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Yoga with Meditation Mutha. See you next time.